Good morning. So in today's session we will be seeing about the different types of number systems. The different types of number systems are decimal, binary system, octal number system and the hexadecimal number system. So when I say in case of all the four systems, you have some concept called as radix or base. It is nothing but what are the allowable numbers in that particular number system. For example, if you are going to take decimal, in that the radix or the base is 10, which means it is nothing but you can have the numbers from 0 to 9. When we are moving on to your binary, the radix is 2. That means we can use two numbers, 0 or 1. When we move on to octal, the number of digits is 8. That means that is the radix or base is 8. That means we can use the numbers from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal. In hexadecimal, the numbers allowed are 16. That is from 0 to 9, 10 numbers. From 10 to 15, usually we will not say as 10 to 15, but it will be represented as from A to F. Okay, so now we will just see, we know the decimal number systems, how to write the numbers. Now we will move on to your binary number system, how to write the numbers. So it is just based on the 8421 code. Okay, so whenever I am going to take a binary value 0, that is for this decimal number, I have to find the equivalent binary number. Okay, so now it is nothing but 1 is nothing but 2 power 0, anything power 0, 8 power 0 or 100 power 0, anything power 0 is 1. Okay, so anything power 1, so 2 power 0 is 1, so it occupies the first one. 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 2 is 4 and 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so based on this only for 0, none of the places you have 0, so all the places I have mentioned as 0. Now let us take an example of 4. So wherever the 4 appears, in that place alone I am putting 1, in all other places I am renaming it as 0. Okay, so that is how you write your 100, that is your 4. Now we will move on to 8. So in this 8 it is in the, this is called as your MSB, this is called as your LSB, least significant bit, which always you write it on the right hand side, and most significant bit which will have the highest power, that always be on the left hand side. Now let us take an example of 8. Okay, I want a decimal number 8 that has to be written in binary. So wherever 8 comes, there alone I put 1, in all other places I write it as 0. This is just a shortcut, students. Suppose if it is going to be 7, means 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So in all these three places I will put 1, and the preceding whatever the initial numbering will be done as 0. So now whenever you are writing the shortcut 0, 1, then it will be, you just add 1 to it to get the succeeding number. It is your binary is a sequential code. Okay, you are just going to add 1 after the other. 1 0 plus 1 is 11. 1 1 plus 1 is 100. So it goes in the sequential way. Okay, you shouldn't say it as 100, you should say it as 100. Then the same procedure follows. Okay, so now you can see again 1, 10, 11. Okay, 1, 10, 11, the same procedure with your MSB as 1. Okay, so you should know, students should know clearly from 0 to 15 when you are doing any conversions, it will be very easy to solve. So 100, 101, 110, 111, 1000, again after 4 is 100, 8 is 1000, just a shortcut to remember. After that 1001, 1010, again you can see it 1, 10, 11, the same procedure. When it reaches 12, it is 1100. Okay, you should say it as 1100. Then it is 1101, 1110, again 1111. So this 1111 is 15. Okay, so in decimal the numbers allowed as only for 0 to 9. Just to compare with the other numbers, I have written the numbers from 10 to 15. Now we will move on to your octal. Okay, when I say it as octal, the numbers allowed are from 0 to 7, so totally 8 numbers. Suppose if I write a number 8, means that is not allowed in octal. Now we will move on to your hexadecimal. Hexadecimal has the same pattern of your decimal to an extent, where you have the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so in decimal we will write from 10 to 15. So which has been represented as A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Suppose 14 means you should not write as 14 in hexadecimal, but you should represent it as E. Okay. So with this I conclude today's class. In the next session we will be learning about the different number system conversions. Thank you.